house right over there. And you can't see. Road is right there. Cornfield's right there. It's been like this every morning for almost a week. North Carolina. Take Spooktacular to the next level. Hello, Curtis. Sheepy face. It's time to get up. Steady. Time to wakey wakey. So we just left, we stopped to get one rabbit here. So we stopped to get one rabbit and we got two because Dee Dee was very interested in this little feller. Here, pull him out.
Okay.
Let everybody see him.
We don't have an official name for him, but I'm thinking of Char, Cole.
You can just let him poke his little head out if he wants to, if he's shy. Oh, isn't he precious? He's, what type is he, Davin? Polish. And this is Davin's new pet. So, if you're thinking this is the mystery animal, either one of them.
It's not.
That one's a surprise.
Yeah.
But these are not the mystery. Well, this is not the mystery animal. Look at that barn. Oh, sorry. We are headed there now to meet our mystery animal. You won't meet our mystery animal, but we're pretty excited. So, anyway, see you in a little bit.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, Damon, you want to tell them what all was there, by the way, where we picked up the rabbits? Because that was pretty entertaining.
My gosh. Like thousands of cats.
No, there were just a few cats, but
there were a lot of cats.
Kittens.
There were peacocks, peafowl, tons of quail, like every kind of quail.
Yep.
These frizzled roosters. There was a deer that was really friendly.
Pet deer.
Pet deer.
And she had dwarf Nigerians too.
Yeah, and she had a lot of goats, a whole bunch of rabbits back there. I didn't see any ducks, but maybe she had some.
We gotta turn here.
It's all Polish.
Oh, it's Polish.
Like your rabbit?
Come at me, bro. One does not simply hide your wine. That's right. Gundam style is not simply come to show us. Oh my god. Well, all your
Idiot sandwich. Is this real life? And boom goes the dynamite.
Hey, babies. Okay, we are back from our little road trip. Trying to find where Matt is. He probably isn't there. And I think we're all tired. I'm gonna turn around. He's not in there? Where's Dad then? The lawnmower. Oh, he's behind the house. Babe! Come here! You wanna see what we got?
Little black guy, huh? Little black guy over there, hey?
Little Polish baby.
Polish.
He's a Polish rabbit.
Thought we were staying with Rex's. Female?
Yep.
She got a Rex. He's a pet.
Yeah, this is Dee Dee's pet. Isn't he cute?
Oh my goodness. Like we don't have enough pets.
We don't have enough pets.
Not yet.
They had peacocks there. Tons of quail and a pet deer.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it was cute.
Come here.
You don't want to. Probably just scruff her. That's how they get loose. You tip it the other way. Tip it the other way.
Right.
You're an inexperienced rabbit handler. There you go.
Condescending. Oh, okay.
She doesn't like you much. But she's pretty.
Yeah, look at you. You got some black and speckles.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
She's really pretty.
There. Right?
Okay, so we are back. The kids and I are going to get to chores really quick. Honestly, I would wait till tomorrow, but it is supposed to rain tomorrow. And I have a load of sand in the truck that we need to get the coop. And then I'm going to make chili. And the kids have Halloween-y stuff to get off to. And have a glass of wine. Not them. Me. And Matt and I are just going to watch the new witches and chill out. So, hang on. Here we go. Time to winterize the coop. So we got the rest of the sandbag on and we're just gonna dump it in the coop, and they are both at the beach till next spring. You got it. I'll come help you flip it. Cool. Soliciting, do you want shade? He's trying. So that white chicken's not even supposed to be out. She's supposed to be in with Bindi, but the turkey seems to be concerned about her safety. I'm not sure. He keeps putting one wing out, trying to cover her. Or trying to shoo her back in. I'm not sure. And I don't have enough zoom to get really close. There we go. What? What the hell? I just got to get her back in. Come on. Go on. There you go. Go back in your little play yard. It's okay. Go on. Go that way. It's okay. No, you got to go around the door. There you go. I know. He's a little ow. Okay. There you go. Don't jump out again, okay? Yeah. Matt, are you excited to try the chili?
Yes.
Your enthusiasm is slightly underwhelming. Okay. Cornbread's in. Pumpkin chili's on. And I'm going to make the rest of this wild blend rice when I get back. But the goats probably think that I don't love them anymore. I'm not late. I'm not late for feeding time, and the kids actually did there's a big truck or tractor, I don't know what it's doing, grading the road. Anyway, the kids did their chores early, so the horses are done and the bunny rabbits are done. So I got to get the goats fed, and they were crying at me when we were doing chores. They always think they should be fed. All right, got Pumpkin's food. In honor of Pumpkin, not really, I just thought it'd be fun. I'm making pumpkin chili after today. Hi, baby girl. They're so cute. Hello, mommy. There you go. They should be the only ones. I know. Oh, it's time to eat for mom. They should be the only ones that need hay. So, always makes me feel rushed when I'm on time. I don't know why. Anyway, personal issues. I thought I'd touch base because I don't think I explained it very well. That today's ride was to go pick up the one rabbit, which we ended up getting two. Sometimes they're good opportunities. We met some lovely people. Hang on. There we go. We met some lovely people, made another contact. They had peacocks, which might be, don't touch the fence, guys. Look at this. Best guilt trip on the planet, you guys lay. I can't do anything if you're standing in the pan, which usually ends up being sooky. But anyway, so we met some lovely people. The kids had fun interacting with their critters and with talking to them. So that was really neat. Since we're still new to the area, it's always good to make new contacts. But that was one reason I needed a little more goat feed, because I'm not going to get through to my regular feed run. So we did that on the way, and then we headed down toward Fayetteville to go meet with our future resident that didn't come home with us this time, and that was the plan. So I gotta get the girls hay, or mommy goat and the babies hay. The girls have hay. So that went really well. Again, getting to meet some new people in the area is always good, and they were lovely, and we had a wonderful time, and looking forward to when we get to bring that animal home. It will be a great benefit to us, and yeah, so that you'll find out about later, but I'm not going to say before. I talked to the kids in the car and was like, well, should we tell our friends and family, or should we just wait? So they want to do a reveal when we pick this one up, so we're just gonna hold off and wait and prepare for that one's arrival. Good morning. So I went out to feed. I'm letting Dee Dee sleep in. Corbin's at a friend's house, and this is one of the reasons I love doing this, is there's always these little surprises. So when I went to let the ducks out, there was this egg, and Cayuga ducks, for anybody that doesn't know, lay a dark gray to black egg. Throughout their laying season, it gets lighter and lighter and lighter every time, and then it starts over the next season at the very darkest, and then goes lighter and lighter and lighter after their molts. But it also decreases, from what I understand. This is our first time owning Cayugas. The darkness decreases over the lifespan as well, so it will get lighter and lighter throughout its lifespan. But pretty cool, unique little egg, and I'm excited to see Dee Dee's reaction. Hey, sweetie. Dee Dee. Look what I found. You see?
Okay, you took it.
Yeah, it's our first one. Are you excited? Love you. I think my favorite thing to grow this year has been bell peppers. And they're little bell peppers, but I sure do enjoy them. And I'm getting to some of these late. We'll give the bad ones to the chickens and let the rest just ripen right here. But I've got broccoli that's about to flower and some turnips that need to come out. Early mornings are the hardest for me. Not because they're early mornings. I don't like to sleep in. I can't sleep in after about 5 o'clock. I just have to get up. So I already fed. Matt and the kids do enjoy to sleep in, so, you know, we make it work. I need him to set me up with a chainsaw because I need to consolidate the rest of the one burn pile. But I'm going to get this produce in so it doesn't, no more goes bad, and then head over there. I don't know how much longer the bell peppers are going to go. I just figured I'd leave them here. Next year, I think I'm going to do them out there, or at least plant a whole lot more in pots because we use a lot of bell peppers. We just constantly eat bell peppers in soup, Mexican food, breakfast burritos, scrambled in with some hash browns in the morning and fresh eggs. I'm not sure if I'll do this variety again. These are called Mr. Stripies. Well, they're not very stripy now, but they do get stripy. They're just teeny tiny. I'm definitely going to go more for the larger types next year. We just use those more, and they're a little meatier. The Mr. Stripies have a very thin, I don't know, membrane, skin, I don't know. But these are much chunkier, and we really like that. So, I don't have many this size. I think I planted them too shallow, and then we had a heavy rain, so the roots didn't go down very deep because they kind of grew on top, but the leafy, well, there we go. The leafy greens, the bunnies and the goats like, so it was worth it, and now I know next time to plant it several inches deeper since we do get a lot of rain, so that they can root down a lot better next time. This is what I'm talking about, that I've left these, some of them still need to grow a little too long, but the little yellow things, those are seeds. I wish it would focus. I don't know if it'll focus on my, there you go. But those little things are the seeds, but I'm gonna freeze it and chop it up, freeze it, and save it for quiches, and then it will work just fine for us. So, I wouldn't call it a super bountiful year, but it's definitely been a year of learning. We've been here just slightly over a year, so I've learned a lot of what not to do, what does well here, what I need to do to make other things do well. It has definitely been just like going to school all over again, but you're out doing the stuff, not sitting in a classroom. So the failures feel much more real and the successes feel much more rewarding. So it's been wonderful. Look, got a whole thing of bell peppers and broccoli. I'm gonna put these up. I have some pumpkin. Oh, the chili last night. Everybody loved it. I'm surprised. Dee Dee and her friends, her little kid friends even ate it. Matt liked it, so I'm very happy about that. So I have leftover pumpkin that I need to chop up and freeze because I know how much I need for the soup. Just portion it out, grab it, and we will be making that this winter because it was delicious. Thank you, Mom, for the recipe. Why does it not surprise me that you'll eat it? Because you eat everything. All right, little piece for the babies. No? Just Mama? What about you? Oh, Mr. Blue Eyes. Okay, you want to try pumpkin? No? None for Cricket. Dottie. You don't want any? Pumpkin thinks they're the best. No? Alright, so that's a failure. How about Dot? Dot, do you want some? It's down there. Nope. Thought I'd try some pumpkin with JoJo. He approves. This buck is the sweetest. He always runs straight to the front of the cage. Loves attention. You want to try some? What do you think? That's a yes? Well, let's see if Son wants some. Hey, Sonny boy. Try that? No. You are the pickiest rabbit. I don't think he eats the KOO. Just had to try something new, huh? There you go, sweetheart. I'll put it in your bowl so it doesn't fall in here. Some pumpkins. Hey, Mooney. Stuck-up rabbit. Oh, yeah, you'll take that. There you go, pumpkin chips. And her baby's eyes are open. Everybody's doing so well. And Toffee, Big Mama over here. You want some pumpkin, sweetie? We're hoping for some Toffee babies next weekend or early next week. Day 29 is Sunday. Let's try the new kids on the block. Hello. Hey, little guy. Hi, sweetheart. I know what I'm going to name you. Scarlet. You want to try pumpkin? Oh, oh. Those are not happy bunny sounds. I don't know if you guys can hear, but she's doing a little sound of disapproval, which I don't blame her. This is a new spot for her. We're going to make some little boxes. It's supposed to get cold. I'll leave that with her. Little guy over here seems interested. I don't think he has a name yet. He's still trying to decide. Annapurna and Everest. I think that's what we're calling the other one. Hi, handsome little fella. This guy is the cutest, cuddliest little rabbit. You want to try a piece of pumpkin? It's different, huh? Them little ears. All right. You guys want to try some? Oh, there you go. What do you think? You guys. Here, I'll leave it in there for you. See if you like it. Let me know. I'll save some. I wonder if horses like pumpkin. I don't know if I've ever tried pumpkin. I've tried watermelon, you know, the usual stuff, but never pumpkin. Let's see. Kane's filthy again, per usual. You want to try something? Oh, what do you think? Yeah? You know, you could let yourself stay clean for a day or two. What do you think? No, you just want to eat. You're going to have to put a blanket on, and you can't put it on with that crap all over you. All right. Hey, sweet girl. And try one? Yeah? Huh. How do you like that? Pretty good? You like it when I hold it like a potato chip? Yep. So, I just realized, because I had set this camera up with presets, and I hadn't been using my presets, so I started using my presets, and I didn't have face detection on, so if quite a bit of this is my blurry face, I apologize. In future, hopefully it's not. But just a nice little walk. It's lovely to be out here in the morning. It's very peaceful. We have a car go by from time to time. Love the tractors. But anyway, I'm interested to know everybody else, old and new, doing this. Because I think as you go through the years, you have to learn things every single year. It makes the next year better, or prepares you to face the challenges of the year to come. So, given this year's challenges, what did you guys learn? I'm interested to know. I think there's more people interested in growing their own food, and I love feedback. So, where are you? What you doing? What'd you do? What are you going to do next year? All right, you guys take care.